Hello, I am Zach. Have you ever opened a streaming app, scrolled through hundreds of movies, and somehow ended up watching nothing? Or walked into a store with dozens of options and felt more confused than satisfied? Psychologists call this phenomenon choice overload, the idea that having too many options can actually reduce happiness and make decisions harder. At first, it sounds strange. We often believe that more choices mean more freedom. But research in behavioral economics and psychology shows something different. One of the most famous experiments was conducted by psychologist Sheena Iyengar and her colleague Mark Lepper. In their study, a grocery store set up a tasting booth with jam. On some days, shoppers could choose from 24 different jams. On other days, there were only 6 options. Interestingly, the larger display attracted more attention. People were curious. But when researchers looked at actual purchases, the results were surprising. Only about 3% of customers bought jam when there were 24 choices. When there were just 6 options, nearly 30% of customers made a purchase. In other words, fewer choices led to 10 times more decisions. Why does this happen? Because the human brain has limited mental energy for evaluating options. Each choice requires comparing possibilities, imagining outcomes, and worrying about making the wrong decision. As the number of options increases, our brain experiences something called analysis paralysis. Instead of feeling free, we begin to feel pressure. We start asking ourselves questions like, what if there is a better option? What if I choose the wrong one? What if I regret this decision later? Psychologist Schwartz describes this problem in his research on the paradox of choice. His work suggests that excessive choice can increase anxiety, regret, and dissatisfaction. Even after making a decision, people often feel less happy because they keep thinking about the options they didn't choose. So the problem is not freedom, the problem is too much comparison. The human brain evolved to make decisions in simpler environments, not in a world with endless options, menus, and recommendations. That's why many successful people simplify their lives. They reduce small choices, create routines, and focus their mental energy on decisions that truly matter. Sometimes, having fewer options doesn't limit freedom. It actually protects your attention and peace of mind. So here's something to think about. In your daily life, where do you experience too many choices? Is it apps, food, work decisions, or something else? Let me know in the comments. I'd really like to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoy learning real psychology and science-based ideas like this, share this video with someone who overthinks decisions. And don't forget to subscribe for more psychology insights every week.